Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you had a chance to watch the Apple event today, but if you missed out on it, today I'm going to be going over some of the highlights that I found interesting as we enter into looking at these new Apple products, because of course they're going to break, so we're going to need to fix them. Let's get started. Apple just wrapped up their September event, and I think they delivered. With big updates across the entire lineup, we've got the new iPhone 17 series, along with the iPhone 17 Air, the AirPods Pro 3, and a whole new generation of Apple Watches. I'm going to break down a couple of the key points that I found interesting. First up is the base iPhone 17. It's packing a brighter 6.3-inch ProMotion display, Apple's new A19 chip, upgraded 48 megapixel rear cameras, and the center stage selfie cam we've seen on iPads, and a new ceramic 2 shield for more durability on the front glass when it comes to scratches. We're definitely going to still see it crack. And full support for the Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. But the real scene seller today was the iPhone Air, the thinnest iPhone that Apple has ever made, just 5.6 millimeters. It's wrapped in a titanium body, lightweight, durable, and supports fast charging and MagSafe, optimizing the majority of the interior for a large battery. I'm interested to see what the logic board is going to look like, given the way that they've oriented the battery size and the cameras. How big is this board going to be, and how repairable is it going to be? Now let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. They've been completely redesigned. Apple ditched the titanium for a new thermally optimized aluminum body, and the back features a bold new camera plateau with a full-width camera bar that doubles as a heat spreader due to the heat that the A19 Pro chip generates. One thing that they definitely drove home was the power behind the A19 and the A19 Pro. Also, the selfie camera being the biggest so far, with an 18 megapixel center stage. And with the rear cameras, we've got triple 48 megapixel fusion sensors, a new telephoto lens with up to 8 times optical quality zoom. And one of the coolest things that I saw was the iPhone 17 Pro Max battery being the biggest battery that the iPhones have ever seen. Now, if you guys remember, a while back we made a video covering the technology behind the batteries. And one of the things that Wonkus mentioned was the ability to create all sorts of shapes with this new technology.
As far as the shape's concerned, stacking batteries can get into any shape they want. L shape, question mark shape, any shape that's desired for the device. And winding batteries can only be flat or a round shape.
And this is what has allowed Apple to create batteries that fill every space possible within these new designs. There was some really cool info with regards to the AirPod Pro 3s with the active noise cancellation, the new ear tip sizes, heart rate monitoring, but my favorite would be the live translation, allowing you to literally communicate with somebody who doesn't speak your language, especially if they have the same pair.
Vamos incluir as principais descobertas na apresentação de sexta-feira.
Com certeza. O cliente vai adorar ver isso.
Definitely. The client will love that. I'll let the strategy team know to prepare that immediately.
This incredible capability is enabled by advanced computational audio on AirPods, combined with Apple Intelligence models running on iPhone.
You literally could have a conversation back and forth where it in real time translates what they are saying, and same going from you to them, it translates in their ears, making it so that you don't have to communicate via text and Google Translate and all those other things, which I'm pretty sure is going to be the future of how we communicate. Probably people will stop learning other languages because we won't need to. And of course, the new Apple Watch SE 3, the Apple Watch Series 11, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3. There's a lot more that happened in the event, so when you get a chance, check it out. I'm really excited to eventually get my hands on each one of these devices, take them apart, to see what's changed, and see how repairable they are. Let me know in the comments below, out of all of these devices, which one would you like to see a teardown of? Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.